Child maintenance, an essential overview. Raising a child can be rewarding, but it also comes with its financial challenges. For separated families, understanding child maintenance is crucial. So, what exactly is child maintenance? Child maintenance is a financial support that helps towards a child's living costs when the parents no longer live together. This could be due to separation, divorce, or never having lived together in the first place. But how much is child maintenance? The amount can vary. In the UK, the Child Maintenance Service, or CMS, provides a formula based on the non-residential parent's income, how often the child stays with them, and other factors. Many opt to make a private agreement, but if disagreements arise, the CMS can step in to ensure a fair contribution. However, another way of finding a resolution is family mediation. What does child maintenance cover? Child maintenance is designed to cover the broader costs of raising a child. This includes basics like food, clothing, and shelter, but also extends to other essentials, ensuring children can lead a full and active life. An important question is, when does child maintenance stop? Typically, in the UK, child maintenance is paid until the child is 16 or up to 20 if they're still in school or college full-time. However, if the child goes on to attend university or moves in with a partner, this obligation usually ends. Basically, child maintenance is an essential tool ensuring every child gets the support they need, regardless of their family situation. It's not just about money, it's about stability, security, and the future. If you want to discuss how family mediation can help sort out child maintenance problems, get in touch by calling 0113 468 9593 or visit our website